Today, we're tackling a face full of stubborn blackheads using a precision Lancet tool. This technique allows the doctor to carefully open the surface of each pore before extraction, making the process both cleaner and more effective. Watch closely, because these transformations are incredibly satisfying. The treatment begins with a thorough cleansing to remove dirt and excess oil from the skin. A warm compress is then applied to soften the clogged pores, making the blackheads easier to extract. Every step is done gently to prepare the skin for the Lancet work ahead. Using a fine, sterile Lancet, the doctor lightly pierces the surface of each clogged pore. This creates a tiny opening that helps release the trapped sebum and debris inside. With careful, steady pressure, each blackhead begins to emerge, some coming out in one smooth motion, others requiring a little more patience. The process is repeated across the skin, revealing fresh, clean pores one by one. Once the major blackheads have been removed, the doctor inspects the skin closely to ensure every treated pore is clear. A soothing antiseptic solution is applied to prevent irritation and keep the skin protected during healing. Clear skin takes precision, patience, and care. If you enjoy watching professional skincare in action, make sure to follow for more satisfying extractions and skin transformations.